I am James from JBS. Want to do a video on our KRX Fender flares. You'll pull out all your stock push-ins right here, which I've already done, and then hold your flare up here. They're really durable, and go ahead and just bend it where your two arches is, and just throw you a nice bend in it like that, and that way when you put it up there, it'll fit right in. You can see it's basically already bent. And then all your holes will line up down through here. Put all your factory pins back in it. Like that. Just press it. It's a real easy install. Then you're going to take a 5/16 bit. Make sure you're good and tight right here, right in the corner, and up here on the top it's made so this lip is flush with the inside of the fender right there. So just pull it flush, shove it back until it's all the way full in the corner, push back on it and hold it, and that's a 5/16 hole that you'll drill. Stick that one in. And that one. This one I'm gonna need a little bit more pressure. And then there's one more on the bottom that you'll drill. I think there's dirt in this pin. I might have to pull it out and blow it out because there's some dirt in the hole. Yep. And there you go. It's on there. That's all you need to do. And that hole was a 5/16. Check us out, JBS Performance.